Welcome to the Machine Tool video, Drill Press Setup and Operation. This is an overview of a jet drill press machine at Fox Valley Technical College. It is very similar to other machines found out in industry. It consists of an upper table, lower base, column, motor, and a spindle with the spindle stop setting. It is used for drilling of basic holes, tapping, and larger pieces of materials as needed. This is the table lock. Turning this counterclockwise allows you to move the table from side to side. It also gives you the ability to lower and raise the table, allowing you to fit your workpiece inside the work envelope. Once your workpiece is where you want it to be, tighten up the lock and the table is stationary. Now we will install a drill into the drill press. This is a number 3 Morris taper. Insert the tool into the drill, turn it slightly, push it up a little bit, and then bring it down to rest on a piece of wood, pushing it in to seat it. The other method we can use is to give it a slight hit with a dead blow hammer. To remove the tool, take a drift, insert it into the drift hole, and push it to remove our tool. Larger drill bits over a 1/2 inch go inside the spindle, mounted the same way. Insert and seat it, and the drill press is ready to go. When inserting a drill inside a chuck, you need to have a correct size chuck key for the chuck you are using. Tighten all 3 chuck slots by hand. You do not need to use a hammer for this step. On the side panel of the drill press, you will be able to select high range or low range. The on-off buttons are located here, as well as the turn knob to increase or decrease the RPMs. This is a standard drill press vise with a built-in parallel for holding workpieces. It is fully adjustable with locking threads, allowing you to tighten up the workpiece. This is a vise clamp with a T-slot on the clamp that slides into the T-slot on the table. Position the clamp over the vise, snug the lower screw, and turn the bar clockwise to tighten the vise. To secure your workpiece, position it into the vise and make your adjustment turning clockwise. To get a more exact depth, we need to set the depth stop. It has metric on one side and standard measurements on the other. It's a rough gauge, it's not precise. Bring it down until you touch the top of your work. Then, turn it counterclockwise until the depth stop touches and you can't bring it down any further. Test it by sliding your piece out of the way. You should not be able to go any deeper. To drill a 1-inch deep hole, look at the gauge. Lifting up slightly, turn it clockwise. Move up 1 inch and tighten the stop adjustment knob. Now the drill will go approximately 1 inch deep into the workpiece. On the control panel, turn the knob from drilling to tapping. Power on. To set our stop, turning clockwise, bring down the drill to your workpiece. When it hits the 1-inch stop, it will reverse the drill up until it hits the top. Shut the spindle off. To power down the machine, press the E-stop. Unclamp the clamp, then remove it. Take out your workpiece and clean the vise. Place the vise on the lower base of the machine. Remove the drill and store the chuck key in place of the drill. Clean any debris from your table. You have completed this machine tool video, drill press setup and operation.